The issue is that they have to find Levites. Now, the Israelites seem to be very mixed. They have to find the line of the Levites and specific families and essentially specific families have to offer the sacrifice. And it requires purity when they approach the altar to offer the sacrifices. That is a big problem because as far as I understand, as far as I've heard, is that DNA testing is not allowed. So that brings a big problem. That is a big problem. And not only that, but specific priests. And I think the faith of Judaism has changed. There's no more priests, but they now have rabbis. But that is nowhere in the Bible that says that the rabbis, as teachers, were the ones to go and offer sacrifices. There was a very specific tribe, the priestly class, and specific families, descendants of Aaron. Those were to be the high priests. So without a recording and tracking and with all the history that has happened in the world, how Israel as a nation now was established in 1948, but what's happened over the centuries? Like, how did they find those priests? How do they find the descendants of Aaron? How do you find them? How do you track them? And there were two orders of priesthood, Aaron and Melchizedek. And Jesus was the order of Melchizedek. It's also talked about in the Bible. Go find the chapter and verse. You can read the story. It's also explained in the Bible. That is why we have faith in Christ, and when you read the Bible and fully understand it, it's bringing everything together to fully understand the relationship between Christ, between us and God, all of us. There is only one way to the Father. That is through Christ. And his blood being spilt created the new covenant, removing the old covenant. The old covenant where the Levites had to offer sacrifice. Because Christ's blood, God's blood was spilled. Through Christ, his Son. The perfect blood that was sinless. That was spilled. That is, it is finished. When Christ says it is finished on the cross, when he's crucified, he says that it is finished. That is the grace, that is the gift of love